In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create linked drop-down lists in Excel. We're going to build a simple example where one drop-down controls the options in another. This is useful when you want people to first choose a category, like fruits or vegetables, and then select a related item from a second list. Start by opening Excel and creating your list in separate columns. For example, you can use one area for your category names, such as fruits and vegetables, and then place the matching items underneath each category in their own columns. Under fruits, enter apple, banana, and orange. Under vegetables, enter carrot, broccoli, and spinach. Keeping the data organized in columns makes the rest of the setup much easier. Next, create named ranges. First, select the main category names, which in this example are fruits and vegetables. Then go to the Formulas tab and click Define Name. Name this range categories. This named range will be used for the first drop-down list. Now create a named range for each subcategory list. Select the items under fruits, click Define Name, and name that range fruits. Then do the same for the vegetable items and name that range vegetables. This part is very important. Each named range must exactly match the category name. If the names do not match perfectly, the linked drop-down won't work correctly. Once your named ranges are ready, create the first drop-down list. Select the cell where you want users to choose the main category. Go to Data, then Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. In the source box, type equals categories, then click OK. You now have your first drop-down list, and it will display your main categories. After that, create the dependent drop-down list. Select the cell where users will choose the related item. Go to Data, then Data Validation again, and choose List. In the source box, enter equals indirect, followed by the cell reference that contains the first drop-down list in parentheses. For example, if your first drop-down is in cell A2, type equals indirect, open parenthesis, A2 close parenthesis, then click OK. This formula tells Excel to look at the selected category and pull the matching named range. Finally, test the linked lists. Choose fruits in the first drop-down, and the second one should show apple, banana, and orange. Then choose vegetables, and the second drop-down should display carrot, broccoli, and spinach. That's it. You've successfully created linked drop-down lists in Excel.